Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the review on the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, and mine is in shade 2.5, and we are also going to do a review on the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. We're just going to jump right in. I already moisturized and everything. This video is going to not be entirely as long as the last one for the Shape Tape foundation. This is supposed to reduce the appearance of pores, which I really need. Kind of like blur out, which it does do. Seems to be. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've used this before. And I've used it with a brush. I think using it with a brush is... yeah. I don't like using a brush. Now, I have to admit, this is a really cute container. It's like it's plastic, but it looks, you know, like gunmetal. And I'm just gonna put a little pump, two. And then I'm just gonna kind of dab it around my face. I always think that I need way more foundation than what I do just because of my complexion. I may have stuck too much on. Hopefully not. Now, I have used this before, and I can tell you that it does oxidize, and you have to work really fast with it because it sets quick. Okay, let's go start dabbing. Well, this does look a little thicker, actually, than the Shape Tape. Just gonna kind of blend it down. Trying to work as fast as I can. Now, once again, if you didn't see my last video, I have a very bad complexion, so full coverage to me, I mean, is a must. And this is already starting to want to set. And this video is not going to be nearly as long as the Shape Tape video. even. And I do know you can build coverage with this too if you're not happy with the way it is, you know, but it's pretty full. I mean, you can still see the discoloration above my eyebrow. Like, I have it on both eyebrows, like a discoloration. I don't know what that's from. It's like a birthmark or something. Blend this all in. Okay. And I'm going to use I don't know, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use that tomorrow. We're just going to use the Shape Tape Concealer and the color Fair Neutral. And I'm actually just going to dot this time. Definitely needed that there. Can't seem to get rid of that pimple. Okay, so there's how that is. I mean, it blended pretty good. I mean, it's set on there nicely. I'm just going to take some before I get creases under my eyes. I'm going to take some setting powder. Everywhere I put the concealer. And that's that. I'm going to get off of here and I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to wear it for a few hours and let you guys see how it works out. But here's what it looks like before. And I'll show you guys what it looks like after a few hours. Okay guys, I'm back and it's been 4 hours and this is still my makeup. The only thing I really noticed is some under eye creasing right in there. And I also did notice, like I have a couple wrinkles up here, and I mean, it kind of collected a little bit there. I probably should have put maybe some setting powder over in there where I had wrinkles, but pretty much it stayed on. It did oxidize a little bit, but luckily, whenever I matched myself, I kept that in mind at the store. And, but yeah, this is how it turned out. And, I used everything Urban Decay, just to keep with the theme of things. I used the Naked 3 palette, and I used this color for a base color. And I took the Distortion palette, and I used this color, Velvet, and I also used Blackout. And then I used the Urban Decay Naked Flushed, and I used the blush, the highlight, and the bronzer. And of course I used the eyeshadow primer. And I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. The only thing I didn't use Urban Decay was the mascara, because I've owned it, and honestly, well, I own the Troublemaker. I didn't like it, so I actually used It Cosmetics Superhero on my eyelashes. I didn't put on any false ones again. Just wanted to be plain Jane today. So this is pretty much it. And tomorrow we're going to be doing NARS, and well, it's actually the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and we're gonna use the concealer, and we're also going to use Dr. Brandt's Luminizer Primer. Try that out. It's supposed to almost make your pores go away. Pretty much the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, it did work, but I mean, as you can see, you can still see some of my pores. I mean, they're a lot less than what they were. They did help blur it pretty good, but yeah, I still have to say so far that Tarte Shape Tape is, their foundation is my absolute favorite. So we will have to see tomorrow how NARS holds up. But please make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss anything. If you have any suggestions on, you know, videos to make, or if you want me to review, you know, a certain palette or makeup product, just let me know in the comments below, because more than likely I probably have it. Or, you know, anything. Do a certain makeup look, or, you know, whatever. But I'll see you next time.